Good morning, everyone. Today, November 16, 2025. Our daily meditation for today. A good skirt is worth more to a man than a good advice. Do you let yourself be afraid of your illness? You'd better many of us were scared into sobriety. Open a spiritual awaken directly follows as good scared. Fear seems to improve our vision. Are you smart enough to run from your addiction? The first step should create fear inside us. It's about looking honestly at our addiction and what would happen to us if we keep using. Looking at step 1 regularly will give us the respectful fear we need to stay sober. Often fear is seen as bad, but it can be good if we listen to it. It can be a great mover when you're afraid. Your spirit is trying to tell you something. God, direct my fear, have me go to you. Family, friends, and others who love me, help me see my fear and listen to its message. I list 5 ways that my fear has taught me important lesson. I'll see that my fear can help me as long as I listen to it and not live in it. That's the meditation for today.